You want to make a cake and you don't have an oven? I have a solution for you, a mille-crepes cake. Step 1. The chocolate cream. First, we are going to make a delicious chocolate cream. Take your best chocolate, preferably 60 to 70% cocoa, and chop it. Place the chocolate in a large bowl. On medium heat, bring the cream to a boiling point. Pour the cream over the chocolate. Let it sit for a minute, then whisk until you get a smooth, rich chocolate cream. Cover the chocolate cream with a plastic wrap, touching the surface to avoid the creation of a crust. And place in the fridge for 30 minutes until it cools down and it reaches room temperature. Step 2. The pastry cream. Check out my video on how to make homemade pastry cream. Step 3. The cake assembly. So, of course, you need crepes. Maybe not 1,000, but a decent stack. Check out my video on how to make the perfect crepes at home. To assemble the cake, first put a bit of the chocolate cream on the serving plate and place the first crepe so that the cake does not move. Spread a thin layer of pastry cream and cover with another crepe. Now spread a thin layer of chocolate cream. Keep alternating and building this tower of heaven. Finally, decorate with raspberries. Dust with some powdered sugar and place the cake in the fridge for 2 hours before serving. And here you go, a perfectly amazing no-oven cake. Bon appétit!